July 11th or June 11th. It's July 11th, 2020, and I'm going to Paris for a month, and I'm so scared. I didn't think I would be this scared, but I'm so scared. I just said goodbye to all my family, and a lot of people came up from Jamaica. We're all just talking in the house, and it was such full of love, and everyone was laughing, and boom, I had to go. And my little cousin looked at me like, do you have to leave? I was hit with a pang of sadness, saying goodbye to my family. I was just like, wow, I'm so lucky to have so many people who are caring about me and who are checking on me. But yes, I am on my way now. I'm scared. This is changing my life, and I'm sending my 2 weeks to my job as well. So it's just a whole array of emotions of just saying goodbye, and it's almost like a death. You know, the death of my former self. So scared. So I'm now at MAC buying a foundation. They don't have my color. We are here. I'm exhausted. The infamous bathroom. Yeah. Yeah. So let's walk through.